Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the air damper assembly in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws, securing the user control and air damper housing. Pull the freezer thermistor out of the hole in the liner and disconnect both the main wire harness and the secondary wire connector to fully remove the assembly. Peel back the tape securing the air damper assembly, then pry the assembly off of the housing. Detach the freezer thermistor from the air damper. Disconnect the power and grounding wires to fully remove. Install the new air damper assembly by first connecting the power wires and the grounding wire to the terminals. Align the freezer thermistor on the air damper and use tape to secure it. Now peel off the backing to expose the adhesive and position the assembly in the housing. Reinstall the housing by reconnecting the main wire harness and the secondary wire connector. Insert the freezer thermistor into the hole in the liner. Fully position the housing and thread all of the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.